Good morning, and thank you for tuning into your come up. Today we're going to have a conversation here with Daniel Algazi. Just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. We are not professionals. We're just two millennials on YouTube. Just take this video as educational purposes. With that being said, we'll get right to it. Good morning, man. How you doing today?
Morning. How's it going?
Pretty good, man. Thank you. Bitcoin. The topic is Bitcoin. Here's what I know about Bitcoin. I am just as knowledgeable as Bitcoin as a baby boomer is about TikTok. So if someone were just fresh, decide to invest in Bitcoin, we want to get on this train, and it's a new thing. It's almost like price of Bitcoin is almost like, hey, it's kind of getting trendy. I noticed when I wanted to pay my dish bill, they accept Bitcoin as payment. Now airlines are too.
I mean, you could buy gold bricks with Bitcoin.
Oh my gosh. All right, so what would people need to know about before investing in Bitcoin?
Bitcoin is not attached to any kind of central currency or government. You know what I mean? That's the whole ideal of Bitcoin.
Okay.
It's not just Bitcoin. We'll call it just cryptocurrency because there's more than just Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just the popular catchphrase that everyone knows.
Okay.
So.
Gotcha.
So Bitcoin's just what everyone hears all the time, but it's cryptocurrency. And cryptocurrency is not attached to like the United States like the dollar is. Mm-hmm. The dollar isn't attached to gold or silver anymore either.
No, so we just take it on its faith as the dollar states, right?
Exactly. Yeah. And cryptocurrency is not based on anything as well. So it's based on an algorithm in a computer. So there's 3 different ways to make money with cryptocurrency. 1, you can buy it, wait for it to go up, and then sell it.
Okay.
2, there's a thing called mining. And that's where you use computers to make these types of cryptocurrency. Like a printer makes dollars, well, computers make cryptocurrency.
Oh, okay.
So they're just not like,
it's like
out
the
of magic
digital
air.
Federal Reserve.
Yeah, kind of, yeah. Instead of hitting the print button, your computer processes an algorithm.
Okay.
And I'll go into all 3 of these. Mm-hmm. So there's mining, there's, buying it, and then there's a thing called staking.
Okay.
And staking is kind of like a savings account for cryptocurrency. So you own so much cryptocurrency,
right,
and you put it in a computer that stays on the internet all the time. And they use your computer as like a central bank essentially, and you earn interest on that cryptocurrency. And it's usually pretty good. It's usually anywhere between like 6 to like 20%. Mm-hmm. So, I mean, you can't get that in any kind of savings account.
No way, not at all. Savings account, you'd be lucky to get 2%.
Right now, yeah, definitely. Yeah. Well, those are the 3 ways to make money on cryptocurrency. Okay. I mean, the easiest way is you open up an account, like Coinbase or something like that, mm-hmm, and you put some money into it, it goes up, you pull your money out. That's it. You make money, that's it. It's just like the stock market.
Okay.
The other 2 ways, mining and staking, are more lucrative ways of making more money faster. But you just got to know a little bit of, how to do it.
Okay.
So those are the 3 ways to make money via cryptocurrency.
Staking, what were the other 2?
The staking, mining, and just purchasing and selling it.
Okay.
If you guys are interested in that, what we could do is make a separate video on each one of those topics.
Okay.
And then we can go in the details on how to stake, how to mine, and then how to just buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Right. And it's a good idea to do it because even if you were buying and selling cryptocurrencies and you throw it in like one of those staking accounts, you'll earn more money on that cryptocurrency than you would just leaving your money in the bank account. And there are cryptocurrencies that are actually tied to the dollar. So a crypto coin, like USD crypto coin, is 1-to-1 with the dollar. If you were to take, let's say, $10,000 and put it in the bank account, you're going to earn like 0.05% on your money.
Okay.
Now, if you were to convert that 10,000 into a crypto coin that's tied to the dollar, so it's a 1-to-1. So 10,000 of these dollars equals 10,000 coins. And put those coins in a staking bank, you'd earn like 5 to 6%. So it doesn't make sense to keep your money in regular dollars when you can convert it into this other currency and actually make a good interest on it.
And then if you're ready to cash out, it'll
then you just hit cash out, take your money, put it in your bank account. And they're starting to tie cryptocurrency into your debit cards.
Okay.
So you could get like a MasterCard cryptocurrency card and just go use it at the supermarket.
You're right. There's a lot we can go into this topic, but hey, if you guys want to watch more on that or want us to discuss more, just comment below. Let me know. Let us know. Thank you guys for watching. Today's video was sponsored by Yapix Web Design and Graphics. And until next time.